Longer, but I'm ready now. Yeah. 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 The haters make me feel like I already made it. That's why we on the couches pouring up, getting faded. I only do me, I hope you feeling my latest. Hope to be the champ at the bat, boy, like the Lakers. Focus like I got 10 on vision. Set up on the throne, hit that bitch with precision. I knew all along I'm what the game been missing. Boy, we reckless, killing made men without fucking permission. I'm trying to get rich, pay my niece tuition. So I hustle, treat the booth like a kitchen. I'm Kenny Powers with the verse still pitching. And all you broke ass niggas, y'all can keep bitching. Boy, just know I'm still gon' put out fire. Yeah, they men, but they bitches Mrs. Doubtfire. It's gon' take more convincing cause I doubt liars. That's why such a select few in my cipher. I'm me spelling down, God don't feel me now in hell, but still look up to heaven with a smile. Half these rappers probably sell they soul for Cristal. I wanna ball on them, they like gym towel.